In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel order in GrabFood. Get started, go ahead and open GrabFood and head over to the section where you want to order a specific item. So go ahead and click on that specific item or go ahead and head over to that specific store on Grab. So as you can see in here, here's the crowd's pick for dinner list that I can choose from where I can order my dinner to. Click on that specific item and that will redirect you into that specific store where that item belongs. So click on that plus icon at the bottom right of that item and click on the basket button to head over to your basket. Now in this section, go ahead and select your delivery option and select your payment method by scrolling down. So under the payment details section, you'll be able to find your payment method. Go ahead and select your preferred payment method and use the voucher that you have before clicking on the place order button. So go ahead and skip this section. Now in this section, go ahead and click on that cancel button beside the processing section. Now that will allow you to cancel your order in GrabFood. Canceling your order after that processing part is hard since it can ban you from canceling your order in the future. And canceling your order once the rider has picked up your order is also impossible on Grab, so make sure that you cancel it before the order is processed and sent into that specific establishment. Now, that is how you can simply cancel order in GrabFood. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.